Hello, in this video I will show you how to reset TECNO phones. I will demonstrate 3 different ways, 3 different methods, so let's begin. So, when you are thinking about resetting your phone, you might think about 2 different things. You can think about soft reset, so for example when your phone is frozen, something is happening to your phone, you just need to force restart of your device. So as you can see, you can do it very easily by using this combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let me show you. If you hold down power key and volume up for a couple of seconds, your phone will easily restart. Let's wait until the phone goes black, release both keys, and that way your phone is resetting, restarting. So this operation won't erase any of your data, your phone just reboots itself, and sometimes it might happen that it will fix some problems with crashing apps or something like that. Let's wait until your phone will be back to a normal mode. As you can see, it's now. And now let me show you the different ways of resetting. You can also think about resetting when you would like to erase all your data, when you would like to hard reset, factory reset your device. So here you've got 2 options. The first one, if you know your pattern and password, you can enter the phone's menu. Here let's choose the settings. Let me scroll down. This is the icon of settings, so let's tap settings. Let's scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you need to choose system. Let's tap system here. As you can see, here you've got reset phone option. Let me choose it. And here you can reset a few things. You can reset Wi-Fi settings. So if you have problems with your internet, you've got problems with your Bluetooth, you can use this option. You can reset app preferences. So also if you would like to go back to a default state of app preferences, you can do it very easily. You can also reset calibration parameters, so it's also really useful to do it sometimes. And if you would like to erase all your data, so for example you would like to sell your device or you would like to have a fresh start, let's choose the last one, erase all your data. As you can see here we've got the confirmation, so this operation will erase all internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. If you confirm this operation by choosing erase all your data, your phone will start to automatically erase everything from your device. But I'm not gonna do it right now. I will show you the third method of resetting. So if you don't know your pattern or password, for example, as you can see right now, I've got my phone locked, I can also accomplish the hard reset, the factory reset operation. All I need to do is use the following few steps. Let's start by using the power key, choose here power off and tap to power off again. When your phone is fully switched off, you need to hold down together power key and volume up. Let's hold down simultaneously those 2 keys for a few seconds. The TECNO phone should vibrate twice. This is my second vibration. I can release both keys and I should wait for Android robot. And that's it. This is the Android no command robot. So here to open the recovery menu, I need to use this trick. I need to hold down power key, and while holding power key I need to press volume up once. So let's hold down power key, press volume up once. As you can see, here we've got the Android recovery menu. Let's here navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down here to choose wipe data factory reset, press power key, and here to start resetting your device I need to choose factory data reset. So let me scroll down to this option, press power key again, and as you can see the device is wiping data, formatting data. So basically your phone is erasing, deleting everything from internal storage. And now I need to just press power key to reboot system now. And your phone is restarting and rebooting. It might take a while because it's rebooting after a hard reset. So your phone will show you the steps to configure your device. Let's wait until the screen will pop up. Alright, as you can see, now we can set up your device after a hard reset operation, so it means that the factory reset is fully accomplished. It's also worth to mention that if you will activate your device, you need to also enter your previous Google account, so it's worth to remember your previous Google account password and enter it while you are setting up your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.